Hey guys, this is my ELED 459 Padlet app, how to use it. We'll go right into it. So, here we are at Padlet.com. It just went right to my home screen. So we'll begin with creating a new Padlet. So here's your Padlet, your wall pretty much. Here's your address up here. We'll be able to change that later. And here's your main directory. And let's start off. If you want to write on the wall, all you do is double click, and you can put your name or the post title. So we can put Jeff, and you can write anything here. And then you also see these three links or these three buttons down here, which is you can add images, videos, or any type of URL, upload a file. You can take a photo from webcam. If you start on this main directory, you can see it's create a new wall. Here's mine. It says from me, Mr. Jeff Smith. It's pretty much just your account and all the walls that you've already made. This is the one that we just created. This one's I had already. You can share and export. Obviously, you can share it to Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, export it as an image, and so on. Down here is your HTML website address right here. This is kind of important. I'll show you that in a little bit later. But if we go to modify wall, you can modify the title. So let's put Jeff Smith, and we'll do history class or history. And let's say if you're using this with your students, you could say, tell me about the Civil War, So here it is. And then your students can write on here, things that they happened, or if they want to add a link, or if you ask them to put, a picture or something to add along their writing, they can. So we'll go back to modify this wall. You can even actually add a picture to the top left. You can see. Furthermore, let's go to wallpaper, just in case if you wanted to more basic, just appearance wise. Layout, this is kind of a big thing here. You can do free form, which if students, they can put it everywhere, anywhere they want. Kind of looks cool, but let's say if you're using this for assessing your students, it's going to be pretty tough to know who's already put stuff up and who hasn't. So if you go to your layout and you click on stream, it'll actually show you and push it in order about who just posted the most latest. And then grid is just the other way. It's a little bit easier to read instead of that free form. Moving on, we can go to the privacy. You can set up a password just in case if you've had problems with people coming onto your wall, then obviously I couldn't see that being a big problem. If we move on, notifications, you can set up your email to send you notifications who's wrote it, which might be a good thing for over the weekend if you give homework assignments. Move on to address. As you see on the top left, that's kind of a hard address to tell somebody to go get and to write on the wall or on the board to tell them. So if we're going to pick a domain you already own. No, if you want to if you want to see if you have one, so let's do a history class. Even history class, or you can do Smith history. You can pick that, and here it is up on your top left, which would be a lot easier to help your students write into there instead of that long, whatever that was before. So if we move on to copy, that's not really important. So what I was going to show you is, let me change the wallpaper. That kind of, here we go. So there is a couple things that you can do with your posts are actually pretty cool. Is you can add links, okay, and you can actually update any type of file. So let's say if you wanted to add, I was going to add a PowerPoint, what I showed app smashing earlier. You can actually add a PowerPoint onto your wall. It just takes a few seconds to load. Okay, now if you're a teacher, now all your students will have this PowerPoint. Wherever it went. Here it is. So here it is. This takes a little seconds to load. Okay. And then another thing I was going to show you is this ability to share and export. Okay. So here we are in that HTML address code. Okay. So if we copy that, and I already have this set up to add to my Weebly. This is just my website that I've been putting together for school. I added this embedded code right into here. We copy that and paste it into there. Here's my Padlet, okay? And if we post here, post from website, here's my post from website. It'll actually instantly upload onto here. So why I think this is important is because if you have parents that you can actually do all your assignments. That'd be a good idea to do. So if we go back to my home page and go to all my Padlets, here's one right here. This would be a good one to put up there because you can put all your classroom assignments, put it onto your web page, and then all your parents can see it and even comment or question, anything that if they have any questions on the assignments or such things as that. So there's my quick tutorial Padlet. It's pretty simple. It's a great tool to use in the classroom for formative and summative assessments. Okay. And then obviously here's your delete, yes and no. Okay, that's all.